Welcome to Evolution of London. We offer a great selection of products at the best prices. All of our products are in stock and ready for shipment to your doorstep. Our goal is to provide a variety of quality products at a price that is fair and competitive. We are dedicated in providing our customers with the highest quality products for the best price. We have multiple warehouses throughout the country to ensure the quickest delivery of products to our customers. We work hard to ensure that your shopping experience is safe and worry-free. Unless we're noted, all items are sold brand new in original packaging and possess all of the features as advertised by the manufacturer. We do add or delete products from time to time as market trends indicate. The customer's satisfaction with our products and our service is of utmost importance to us, and we welcome comments at any time. Simply click on the Contact Us link to send us your comments. Check out www.evolutionoflondon.org.